Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Good morning. It is currently 8:22, bright and freaking early because we are going to pick up some groceries. Today's gonna be a little bit of a reset video. I just have a lot that I need to catch up on to. I feel like this is me every week on my off days. Nonetheless, I need to go get groceries really bad. I have not done a grocery restock in a minute. Like, I'm out of so many things. I knew I was gonna keep putting off going to the grocery store if I didn't do a pickup order, so that's exactly what I did, and I scheduled it for 8 to 9 a.m. just so that way I would get myself out of the bed. Little hack: if you need to get up and get stuff done, schedule some like appointment or something of the sorts early in the morning, so then that way you're kind of already up and you can just continue the rest of your day. Today's main focus really is just going to be cleaning up my space and resetting the apartment, doing the laundry, etc. So if you've been needing a deep clean, this video is for you because you're not in this alone. We're gonna do it together. I've been putting it off as well. My apartment looks insane. The dishes are bad, the laundry's bad, all of it. So we're gonna do that today. I just made it back home. It is currently 8:56, 8:58 actually. I'm gonna give you all a quick little haul and then I'm gonna get ready for the day. We're gonna get cleaning because I do want to drive to meet up with Dwayne and get some videos edited and stuff. Try to get my space cleaned up as much as I can since these are my only 2 off days. Starting strong, I got some bleach. I needed that for my laundry. I also needed some fabric softener, so I got this one. She was on rollback. 5 of these little basmati rices. I love this white rice. It's so nice. Got some mustard, onion, and garlic powder. Honey for my smoothies because I'm running low. And then I also got some pepperoncinis. This time I got the sliced ones. Usually I get the whole ones, but I want to put this on a sandwich, so that's why I got the sliced ones. My place is so dirty and this is really overstimulating me. We got some clementines. I also got 3 bananas. Decided to get a whole cantaloupe instead of cantaloupe cubes. I got some little baby potatoes, some frozen sweet corn, and then some Brussels sprouts. We have milk, and then I also got some cinnamon rolls, deli meat. I also got this little cracker tray. It's salami, crackers, cheese. I got these little mini chopped Caesar salads. The reason I got these instead of just buying like a big thing of lettuce or whatever is because I never finish it, and I feel like those I'll actually be able to eat and like take to work with me. Green onions, scallion, whatever you want to call it. We also got some little peppers, sourdough bread, and then lastly I got me some eggs, which I do need to check because I'm a little nervous. Oh, they changed the carton on them. See, they gave me a cracked one. Still doing good on time. It's only like 9:20, but I really do want to get going with my day, so I need to do my skincare. And luckily I switched over to Curology recently, so my skincare doesn't take me as long anymore, and it's kind of just already mapped out for me. I've been noticing so many benefits. My skin truly has cleared up so much. It compliments on my skin all the time. The only thing right now that I'm kind of struggling with is this little scab right here, but I picked at that, so that's completely just my fault. But other than that, I have no like real active breakouts, and I've been using Curology for the past 2 to 3 weeks, I'd say. Started with my little mini bottles, but I'm already up to my big ones, and this one is like the one that I use in the morning. This is the one that I use at nighttime, and then I also have a medicated face wash that I also use. Now I'm gonna just do my skincare real quick, and then we're gonna get our day going.
Like I was saying, I've been using Curology for the past 2 to 3 weeks, and I really have noticed a difference.
And thank you to Curology for sponsoring today's video.
All I did was go online, fill out the skin quiz. I sent in a few photos of my skin, and then after a dermatology provider looked at all the info that I put in, my concerns, and I got it sent straight to my door. store, so I didn't have to go anywhere to get it. Stubborn acne is something I've always struggled with, especially hormonal too. In my last period, I really noticed a difference. My acne was nowhere near as bad as it can be. So I've seen the benefits, and I do trust that my prescription is doing what it needs to do.
Since I'm doing my morning routine, I have a different morning and night one. I'm gonna do my moisturizer first, and then I use this little formula which has all of these fun little ingredients in it. I don't even want to try to say it and butcher it. Do this after my moisturizer, and then for nighttime I do this formula, and I'll put this on first and then I'll do the moisturizer after. Just a little rearrangement of the routines, but I love this daily moisturizer. Like I said, I've already upped to like my big ones, but I still have a little bit left in my trial kit. I'm gonna just use up what I have because I'm not gonna let any of this goodness go to waste. So I just do a little bit of moisturizer, and I only need 1 pump of this. I don't need much. She's very thick, particularly like this one, because I'm treating my skin whilst also kind of like priming. So if I were to do makeup or anything, it would look really nice over top of this. I've been loving my little Curology routine. It's helped me so much with my skin, and I really have seen the results. I've been consistent with it. I think that's the biggest thing when trying a specialized formula like this that you're getting online. You have to be consistent with it. You have to give it a chance, because I know a lot of people probably think it's gimmicky or it's this or it's that, but this is licensed dermatology providers that are prescribing you these formulas, and they really are looking at your skin concerns, what you want to work on. All of the factors come into play to make your very own customized formula. For me, it's been a game changer. So if you want to start your very own Curology journey today, I will have the link either in the description box, or also you can scan the QR code that is on my screen. I want to honorable mention that this micellar water from Curology is probably by far the best micellar water that I've ever tried. If you are thinking about doing Curology, I recommend putting this into your routine. But yeah, if y'all want to start your Curology journey, the link is in the description. You know, I was gonna get cute to clean, but realistically, who wants to get cute and clean? If I'm cleaning, I want to be in my PJ shorts, my flip-flops, and just call it a day. So I'm gonna get started. I need to get my laundry going because I don't want to leave it soaking in there and get like icky and stuff, since I know I'm gonna be going out of the house to edit today. So we're gonna start with laundry, and then these dishes, I want to show y'all for real, but like, ugh.
I wouldn't believe if she opened up my heart to me. I still need to grow. Ain't no time for speaking. I'm on the opposite side of what I needed before. Disregard the past, now I'm ready to let go. I never knew I needed more. Don't wanna keep it on the low. Now it's time for me to value the things I never saw. Even though the lights are bright, I'm on my knees. As I wait for her to rescue me. The speaker's so I try, but I can't even breathe. No. Absolution is the key.
Like, what's the key? You and me, moving free, we're meant to be. I love it when you're coming with that energy. You're stressing me to think about a world without my baby G. You're in my dreams, I'm listening to what my heart is telling me. B, if I stay, I'll never leave. When you say my name, baby, it's remedy. Testing me, never clean beat. You're a drug to me, never sober, preciosa. Feeling like you're all I need, you're all I bleed.
Watch me fall to pieces, and I don't know why. Watch me fall to pieces. Now I won't go outside.
Wish I loved myself the way I love you, B. I'm doing me. I can't be moving like a fiend, I'm moving free.
Okay, y'all, I'm ready now. I don't know where we left off, but I got ready. It's currently 11:26. I'm gonna pack up my work bag so that way whenever I go to the coffee shop later, it's all ready to go. I'm just gonna straighten up a little bit of my room because this is like the last thing I need to do before I leave. We're gonna make a quick little run over to Tom Thumb and grab some laundry detergent because I ran out. I don't know why I didn't order any whenever I did my Walmart pickup order, but I think it's just because I didn't realize that I was so low on it. Let me make sure I got everything. I got my laptop, my little laptop case. Sometimes I put this in the bag, sometimes I don't. I guess today I just go ahead and will. My planner, my pins. So into my planner recently, like truly mapping every single thing out. Like, look, you guys, I have been just going ham on my planner. It just makes me feel so put together. I'm gonna pack that. I have my AirPods on my keychain, so I'm not gonna bring my Air Maxes, but I am gonna bring this little charger. I know I will need that for sure. I need my hard drive, a little SD card reader, and then I also have my mini camera, which has a video video that I need to edit on it. I really could just bring the SD card, but oh, actually I need this one too because it's a little mini SD card, but I'm gonna put this in here so that way I don't lose it. I filmed a week in my life, so I don't know if you are seeing this video or that video first, but whichever one, you should go watch the other. My bag is packed. Now I just need to straighten up the room. I really don't have that much to do. I just need to like clean up that area, make the bed, and then we're good to go to Tom Thumb. Come back, quick pit stop, change the laundry, then go get some work done.
Camera at home because it's so big and I don't want to carry it. I'm trying to kind of hurry, so I'm taking out my recycle stuff right now because I don't have any recycling bags. I'm trying to get this laundry detergent and I might get some fabric spray. I hope you want the powder, y'all.
Bagging area after each scan. For us, scan it now. Please remember to...
I've never used powder detergent before. My mom has, but I just personally, since like I've been living on my own and stuff, I've never used it. But I really wanted to try it because I feel like it could last me longer, hopefully. The one to match the softener that I got. I feel like the load that I just put in there is giving 4, so we're gonna use that much. I got it wet. I don't think that's very good. This stuff doesn't really smell very good. Like, I don't know, it almost smells spicy. I'm leaving my apartment now. Phone plugged in. I just need to plug in my little AirPods so by the time we get there I'm able to use them. I've been using my AirPods a lot recently, but I do want to get the cord ones so that way, I don't know, I saw something that was talking about how using the Bluetooth ones, whether it's your Air Maxes or your AirPods, kind of fries your brain a little bit. So I'm like, maybe I should just go back to the cord. But it's 12:22 right now. I probably will make it there before 1 for sure, so I am doing good on my timing. I love days like this where I can wake up, do exactly what I need to do, but also find time to get like some work done, find time to hang out with my friends, and just like get a mix of both. Because sometimes when you just spend like a whole day deep cleaning, resetting, and all of that, and you don't have any other type of activity for the day, you're just kind of in the house all day, it can just get really draining. And I've noticed that for my own mental health. So I'm excited to just go meet up, chit chat, packed pretty much my whole meal and stuff, so I shouldn't need to get anything while I'm there. Actually, I am gonna open my Lonnie right now because I need her. My little lunchbox, y'all. I have the Dream Float Alani. I need some more Alani. I'm down to like only 4 left. I need a little restock. I really want them to send me the lime one because that's probably my favorite, but this one, she's really good too. Shit, just started spewing out on me. Wow, so freaking good. All right, let's go see Dwayne. Oh, I need to shave my mustache so bad. What the hell?
Knowing you for ages is all that I've heard.
Look at my sandwich. Well, it doesn't look that great, but it's fine.
Oh yeah, girl. Yeah.
No, it's so good. Go try.
I love the taco.
It's not spicy. Their peppers are not spicy.
Okay, it's really good.
No, it's so good. The flavors all go together.
It is a reset day, so I'm at the gas station right now. I gotta get some gas, refill my car for the week. Literally hate pumping my gas. Like, what the fuck? Where is my van? Bro, she gonna put this container away. Bro, it ain't working. Got it to work. I know this is generally gonna get me nowhere, but just wanted to use up all of my ones, so. Oh, I mean, it got me halfway. I was like sitting on E. I have gas. I can finally head home. My mom's actually gonna bring me dinner later, and then also I got a robot litter box, so I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna not have to clean up cat shit as often, so I cannot wait to install that as soon as possible. But I'm on my way home now, and I need to put my seatbelt on.
What if I don't have enough litter to fill this?
What is this though? I wrote up. Look, he sent a robot pooper.
The next morning.
Good morning. It's now the next day. I ended up not doing the rest of my stuff that I needed to do yesterday, so it's today. And we're going to do my laundry. I'm also going to do the dishes, put those away, and that's literally all I have to do to finish off this reset video. I meant to do it yesterday, but obviously I got the like litter box robot shit. So cool, by the way. Like, I can watch her use the restroom. I can check on it, make sure it looks healthy, etc., etc. Like, it's just really, really cool. I'm excited for her to have it. Also excited for me too, because it's like a fun little gadget. But I was setting that up with my mom and my nephew last night, and they stayed over a little bit longer just to help me put it all together. And so after that, I was just kind of done for the day. I was like, yeah, that was my last. They brought me dinner. I ate dinner, watched some TV, and then it was already like 10 something at night. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just do it in the morning. Doesn't mean we're not gonna finish what we started, because I know these clothes will sit in my room in that basket for a good almost a week, probably longer sometimes. So we're gonna get it done. I am officially done. Feels so good. I'm ready for my latte. Like, that is my special little treat.
Probably wondering, why do you always do this, Savannah? Never finish your video. I know, I'm wondering the same thing. Originally, I was gonna take you guys with me to get a drink, but I guess I just didn't film the footage, so it just ended kind of abruptly. Thank you guys for joining me on my little reset video. Hopefully you got a good little motivation out of this video too, because I know I struggle a lot of the times to like just tackle the tasks that I need to, but I've been really good about it lately and just trying to like not make excuses for myself, because at the end of the day, who's gonna show up for us? Ourselves. So put yourself first. Yeah, I love you guys. I will see you on my next one. Make sure you're keeping your space clean, keeping your mind clean. I love you. You're worthy. You are beautiful. You are so much more, and God loves you. I love you, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.